Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you guys being here. So you may not know this about me, but there are about 1,200 servicemen missing in action from Vietnam. 600 of them are still unaccounted for, and my dad is counted among those 600. And recently I got a package in the mail that really kind of blew me over, and it's all his handwritten letters when he was at the academy and shortly thereafter in flight school. And so this is a book that I'm making. So I think this is going to be a neat piece of memorabilia for family and those who knew Paul Raymond. And so I've decided to do my own bookbinding, and so that's what this video is about. And it's a little bit out of my wheelhouse to do bookbinding, but I figured nothing is off limits and I want to give it a try. I just think it's going to make it a little bit more personable to bind it myself. And it's loose paper like this. They call it a double fan method. And so with the double fan method, you're going to set the book upright in some kind of a vise, or if you have a book press, most people don't have a book press, something that can stand them up. And then you're going to fan the pages as far as you can that way, and then apply glue along the edges, and then you're going to fan the book all the way that way, and then apply glue. And I just use my hand for this. And then obviously let that dry, and I'm demonstrating it on the opposite edge here because this one I've already done that. And then I took a piece of cloth and cut it, and I can always trim the excess off. It could be a little bit big, but then I just wrapped it over that edge. And then they have something they call headband, which looks like that, and it's not an actual headband, although maybe it could be used for that. But that's going to go on the top here, and just a little piece of that headband will poke up. And if you have hardcover books, if you open them up, you can probably see that there is a headband. So you'll do that on the top and the bottom. Probably make it shorter than the actual width of the book. At that point, it's just the leather. And so, yeah, I ordered some high quality leather. I think it's high quality leather. And so at that point, I'll just set the book on here and then cut around it and glue it up. And so I think that's going to be it. So let's give it a go.